I'm Amalie Schaefer with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over repeating tasks in ClickUp. So if you have tasks that repeat regularly, or even if they're, if they're spaced out to quarterly or something like that, you'll want to set them up as recurring tasks. So that's kind of another way of saying repeating tasks. So let's say I'm in my list here for meetings. Let's say we have a weekly meeting and it happens every Tuesday. You can put a time here. I'm just going to put a day, but let's say it happens every Tuesday. And we're going to set recurring. So I pick the day, I go to set recurring, and then I can choose these different options. So if we want it to recur like every, 10 days or something after that, we can do that. But I'm going to set it to weekly. And then on schedule, meaning I want it to recur on a schedule. You can do when closed. So if it's a task that you want to recur when the previous one is closed, you can set it to do that. So what it will do is it will only create the next task once the original task is closed. On schedule, it'll keep creating the new task even if you don't close the previous task. So for this one, I'm just going to do when closed, create new task options. This is saying like, what do you want to be created in the task when it recurs? You can just put everything, or you can select what you want there. We want to recur it forever. And then it says update status to. So once it's closed, when it goes to create the new task or the recurring task, where do you want it to recur to? So for me, in this instance, I would want it to recur to the scheduled team meeting area or the scheduled status. So then I'm going to select that status here, and then I'm going to hit save. So now this is going to recur. Oops, I guess I didn't select the day. Oh, I did. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now it's going to recur every week for me on Tuesday. And then if I'm finished with my meeting, I put it to complete. And then what it's going to do is it'll produce the next task for the following Tuesday for me. And it might take a minute. But let's say you have there it is. But let's say you have a task that maybe happens, if this is check email or something, and you want it to recur every day. So what we'll do is we click on the date. Let's say we want to start it today, set to recurring. We actually want it to happen daily, but we want to skip weekends. You can do something like that as well. And then you can put it to scheduled. Now, let's say you didn't necessarily, like scheduled and unscheduled are the statuses here, but let's just say you had a task list or something and you wanted it to go there. Then you could, put it to that and then hit save. And now this is going to recur every day, skip weekends, and, recur every single day. So that is repeating tasks in ClickUp. There's a lot of ways to use this. We use it for our ongoing operations in the business. So updating plugins on the website, checking emails, checking orders, things like that. And they're great reminders and ways to save time instead of creating new tasks all the time. You can just set them up to recur. So again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel to catch our future videos. And if you're looking for additional support, there is a link below that you can book a free call and we can connect and see if I can support you in getting ClickUp set up for your business. Thank you for watching.